I think as Kenyans, we agonize so much on how to fix these prices. One, we are not producers of oil and petroleum. We import this commodity. And just like any other commodity, faces many factors. And there is import, there are insurances, there are logistical costs that determine the cost of oil. One of the leading and very important fundamental factor in determining the prices is actually the current supply and also the output in the recent past. The second one is OPEC. That is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. They always supply this commodity through quotas. So any time that we import this oil, this has to come into play. Okay. Then we also have the future supply and reserves, which is also a consideration in determination of price and the demand from major countries. Remember, our consumption is relative to other major countries. And finally, the political events and crisis. As we speak today, we have an issue, a crisis in Europe, Russia and Ukraine. All these have contributed. They have affected the routes, the shipping routes of oil across the world. The price of wheat, we import our chapati, unga, largely comes from Ukraine and Russia. So all these have contributed. So as we struggle to fix this problem as a country, as a people, as an administration, let us remember we operate in a global village and we are all subject to all these factors. So it is good to beat ourselves, but also understand and appreciate where the environment that we operate in.
I have a question. I have got Mercy Luceno, my friend from Kakamega. Would you allow me to call her so that she tells us about the edible oil in Kakamega?
What you can do, you can get
okay, because you know Mercy Luceno.
Waziri, please, you can get the information.
Is a leader in Kakamega.
Waziri, please.
If you allow me just to settle, because I don't have my studio person.
We won't do that on set.
No, we can. I am going to do it.
Waziri,
because you know Mercy is there in Kakamega. She's telling me she cannot allow you to lie. Or that guy.